Hello and welcome to the Draubner Channel. Today we are here at SeaBase Aquarium at EPCOT World Nature. Did you know this is one of the largest man-made ocean environments in the world? It holds a massive 5.7 million gallons of water. Let's dive in and see what we can find. Right away we caught one of the diver shows. EPCOT has marine biologists and specialized cast members who dive into the tank daily for feeding, maintenance, and educational presentations. It really gives you a sense of scale for just how deep this tank is, about 27 feet deep. Now let's head over to ocean life. This massive habitat is home to over 4,000 sea creatures, representing over 60 different marine species. Everywhere you look, there's a flurry of activity. Over here, we spotted some moray eels. They look a little intimidating with their mouths open, but they actually do that to pump water over their gills to breathe.
I'm here. There it is.
Oh look, we found the eel hiding deep in the coral. They love wedging themselves into rocky crevices to ambush their prey and stay safe. Moving over to the grass flats exhibit. Seagrass beds are incredibly important ecosystems. They act as the nurseries of the ocean, providing a safe hiding spot for baby fish and small crustaceans to grow up. Moving on onto the lionfish exhibit, check out this stunning lionfish. While they are beautiful with their flowing venomous spines, they are actually an invasive species in the Atlantic and Caribbean where they have no natural predators. Notice how these soft corals sway in the current? Unlike hard corals, they don't have a rigid calcium carbonate skeleton. They look almost like underwater plants, but they are actually animals. Look, it's Marlin, Nemo, and Dory all together. It's always so fun spotting clownfish and blue tangs sharing a tank. A real-life Finding Nemo moment. Watch closely here. Many of these reef fish are masters of camouflage. Their bright colors and patterns actually help them blend into the vibrant, chaotic background of the coral reef to hide from predators. And here are the hard corals, the true builders of the reef. They secrete calcium carbonate to build those hard structures that eventually become the massive coral reefs we see in the wild. Now we are entering Bruce's Shark World. This is a super fun, interactive area inspired by our favorite vegetarian sharks. Remember the pledge, fish are friends, not food. This wall does a great job of dispelling myths about sharks. They are heavily misunderstood and vital to the ocean's health. Flipping through Bruce's scrapbook gives some great backstory on our favorite toothy friend. can't come to SeaBase without getting a picture inside Bruce's massive jaws. This statue is iconic. This Shark Anatomy 101 board is packed with cool facts. For instance, sharks don't have bones. Their entire skeleton is made of cartilage, just like our ears and noses. Getting a close-up here, you can learn about their multiple rows of teeth. When a shark loses a front tooth, another one spins forward to replace it like a conveyor belt. The Did You Know wall has even more trivia. Did you know some sharks can detect a single drop of blood in an Olympic-sized swimming pool? There's also a fun Shark Challenge game wall for kids to test their ocean knowledge. Now, let's head on the Manatees. They are like real-life Pokemons.
Wow, there it is. That's a big manatee. You want to ride the manatee?
Here we are on the second floor at the Manatee Rehabilitation Center. Disney works closely with rescue organizations. These gentle giants are often brought here to recover from boat strikes or cold stress before being released back into the wild. Take a look at this view. From up here on the observation deck, you really get a sense of just how massive this 5.7 million gallon tank really is. It's breathtaking. Now let's go inside the sharks, sea turtles, rays, and reef fish viewing area. We just passed the monitor for the sailfin snapper. Looking out to the main tank, we can spot a janitor shark gracefully cruising along the bottom, followed closely by a massive stingray. Here's the monitor for the look-down fish. These guys have such a unique, metallic, flat appearance. They almost look like swimming silver coins. Look at this. We're seeing about 6 divers inside the aquarium right now. It takes a huge team to keep the glass clean and the animals fed in a habitat this large. Checking out the monitor for the porkfish, you can easily spot them by their bright yellow bodies and the two black vertical stripes across their faces. Unfortunately, we can't see any at the moment. In fact, this is the only time I've seen this aquarium with only so few fishes. Now that I think about it, I think those divers were tourists. Disney offers special tours to guests who can afford it. Comment below if I'm wrong or tell me what you think. We spotted one of the divers taking a quick break, just sitting peacefully by the coral, and he waved right at us. That is that classic Disney magic right there. Thank you to the dive team.
Let's go.
We are making our way out of the main reef attraction now. Wait, before we go, we finally found the sea turtle. Look at him gliding through the water. They are such majestic creatures.
We saw the real crush. We know there's the real crush. That's dinner. Umuulan pa. Yeah. Drizzle. Let's go find crush.
Now we are entering the nursery area. This focuses on mariculture, which is essentially farming marine organisms to help protect wild populations. First up, the cuttlefish. These are incredibly intelligent cephalopods, related to squids and octopuses, and they can change their skin color and texture in the blink of an eye.
Those are shrimps.
We're also seeing mariculture shrimp and a mangrove exhibit. Mangrove trees are vital because their intricate root systems protect coastlines from erosion and provide a safe haven for young fish. Check out the size of this giant clam. In the wild, they can live for over 100 years and weigh up to 400 pounds. Here in the nursery, they successfully breed clownfish and grow anemones. By breeding them here, aquariums don't have to take them from their natural ocean habitats. Finally, the sea dragons. Look closely. They look just like drifting seaweed. This is one of the most incredible forms of camouflage in the entire animal kingdom.
How many sea dragons do you see, me? I think there's more than 3.
What an amazing day exploring SeaBase. From rescued manatees to the tiny sea dragons, there is so much to learn about our oceans here at EPCOT. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Draubner Channel for more adventures. Bye.